This comment 1162 just talks about an ambiguity in the expression two negatives make a positive. If you mean that something's already negative and then we take a negative of that, then that does make a positive, because the role of this is to mean on the opposite side of the number line. So if this means on the opposite side of the number line from 5, and this means on the opposite side of the number line to the number 5, then you're back where you started again, and indeed two negatives make a positive. It's also true that a negative times a negative makes a positive, and a negative divided by a negative makes a positive. However, what is not true is when the two dashes appear in a sequence of collected like terms. So, for example, if it was 4y minus x minus 3x, the 4y is not like terms than anything, so that will appear in the answer. But you've got negative x, and you take away 3x, you're back down even further towards the negatives at 4x. So this is an example where two negatives make not a positive, but a negative. Now, you might come back against me and say that they're not actually negatives, they're subtraction signs, and that is true. But nonetheless, it's worth pointing out in this video that you need to be careful about just assuming that when two dashes appear, that you can replace them with a positive. Just another example, negative 2y minus 7y, that's not positive, that is way negative. You're at negative 2, you take away another 7, you're even further down.